So today I find myself in beautiful Highland, Indiana, and that's what Highland, Indiana looks like. I stopped off at this pretty cool coffee shop called Grindhouse. Coffee was good, but this is what Highland, Indiana basically looks like. I'll take you through a couple of the neighborhoods right now, as I do have some clients to take to see houses. But this was the cafe basically, and they got really good food here. Hey, how you doing? I had a scone here, and their scones are awesome. They got some really good coffee, really good food. Good kitty. So I am literally 1 minute away from the property, and I tell you guys, I'm really happy that I got my real estate license in Indiana, because I would have never have came down here unless I really had a reason to. Here's some of the houses out here in Highland, which is pretty cool. And man, the clientele is happy because property taxes are super low. The house we're about to see, I think, has property taxes about $2,500 compared to the $8,000 that I think that this place would command in a place like Lombard or LaGrange. But this is basically the way the neighborhood looks, and we are almost there. We are a couple of feet away from the house that we're gonna see, and here we go. So this should be the house to my left right now, 8951, which is going to be, it looks like to be that house right there, 8951. Let me see. That's it right there. So this is the house that we're going to see right now. So let's see how easy this is going to go. I should be able to push this button here and have this thing actually tell it to open up, but sometimes I got to put a pin in. So there we go. Open sesame. Look at this. Look at this. There it is. There it is. All right. So my clients are getting here. They're actually pulling up right now. There's strict rules in Indiana towards taking photos and doing videos on the inside of houses. So if you do see the house inside, it's because I happen to be doing like a selfie thing like this. I can't straight on shoot the place, but we'll make do. They can't stop me from showing the outside. I will say that. I'll fight tooth and nail about that. This is what it looks like outside, and then this is the neighborhood. Really nice, quiet neighborhood. You can hear people actually mowing the lawns and whatnot. So far so good. I mean, the place is clean, right? Nice places out here in Highland, Indiana. So if you wanted a place that had low property taxes, I mean, can you argue? So this is always good to see. This is a sump pump. The line takes the water out in case that there's a flood. And then in the other room over here, love the floors by the way, but in the other room over here is the catch basin. And the catch basin is what's responsible for taking the water from like the sinks and especially like the kitchen, all that greasy water and stuff, through here. So this is nice, and it's access if you ever had to like rot out your drains and stuff like that. I recently went through this with the home inspector that was doing a sewer scope, so this will get you into the sewers. Although in some cases where this doesn't work out, they will take the toilet off the ground in the basement if there's a toilet, and they will sewer scope the sewer lines through the toilet. So the piping in the toilet, not through the toilet. Take the toilet off, camera goes in the hole, you check out to see whether or not you got broken pipes. Okay, this place was good, but now we're going to Merrillville, Indiana. It's been about 15 years since I've been there. My son is 16. He was born in Merrillville. Long story, but here we go. All right, we are less than a minute out to the property that we're gonna see. This is Merrillville, okay? This is Merrillville, similar to what we saw over in Highland. I think Merrillville overall has, more businesses. I do know there's like a really busy road in Merrillville. I forgot what the street was, but where the Target is, where they have Uno's Pizza, if it's still there. But this is Merrillville, Indiana, and the house that we're gonna see is right there, I believe. I think it's that blue. Yeah, it's that blue one right there. So We're gonna pull up to it right now. And it looks like a gigantic house. A lot of square footage. Look at that. Look at that square footage. Look at that. Jeez. So this bad boy behind me is 315,000 in Merrillville. Take a look at the block. Take a look at the block. Awesome. Awesome looking neighborhood. It's really quiet. All you can hear is what I'm assuming to be cicadas. You know what I mean? It sounds like the cicada army is out tonight. But yeah, that's definitely either that or they're crickets. Mating season, I don't know. Ladies and gentlemen, first on the channel. Look at this guy here. Damn. So I'm willing to bet that my clients are gonna put an offer on this house without a doubt. I would be shocked if they didn't. Everything in here is super modern. And I mean, the kitchen is fantastic. The basement, I turned off all the lights, that's good. But wow, this place is just, you know, like I said, I'm a sucker for fixtures. Those fixtures look awesome. And then over here, the water's wet, definitely.
Hello, it's Vanessa. How can I help you?
Hey Vanessa, this is Antonio with Realty of America. How you doing?
Good, man. What's going on?
Nothing much. You know, I just showed my clients the property that you have for sale on Grant.
Perfect.
And we're ready to make an offer. So it should be an easy closing if you're ready for it.
Awesome. Love it. All right, man. I look forward to it. Just send me a little text. I am out of state right now, but I will definitely look forward to that email.
Sounds good. Thank you so much. And I look forward to a smooth closing.
Talk soon.
Talk soon. Thanks.
Yep.
All right. This is house number 3. The block, of course, looks fantastic. The clients liked it. We were already in it, right? And I had to rearrange a couple of things with appointments to get in here because we came early, but I'm here, and it's nice. It's really nice. But there's one thing in the property that's kind of have them like not sure, and it's this room right here because it's supposed to be a bedroom, but it has the sliding door that makes the bedroom accessible from the outside, so it's like kind of forcibly an office. So, you know, what do you do if you needed all the bedrooms, you know? So far number 2 for the day has been it looks like. So we saw 3 houses today. It looks like it's gonna be house number 2. The bedrooms are in the right place, evenly spaced throughout the first floor and the second. The bathrooms were in really good condition. I think that there was a really nice primary tub in the primary bedroom. So that bathroom was awesome, and they're really excited about it. And I have to get back to the office so that I can actually physically write the offer, right? Because the last thing we want to do is to miss out on that opportunity. Hate when that happens. All right, so I have a little bit of a problem, and the problem is that my clients ended up liking 2 of the houses that we saw today, house number 2 and house number 3. You just saw me call house number 2, and we're gonna make an offer on that. But now I have to navigate the sale of house number 3 in case they don't get number 2. So I'm gonna eat this, right? I'm gonna eat this, right? Then I'm gonna get back to my office and call number 3, right?
This is Jessica.
Hey, Jessica, this is Antonio with Realty of America. How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
Doing good. You know, you have a listing on the Indian Trail Road in Merrillville.
Yes.
And I was able to show my clients that home today. Do you currently have any offers on it? To be honest with you, they're looking at 2 properties right now in Merrillville. And I want to say, in all honesty, I think what's going to sway them the most is if they can get some sort of credit, not a gigantic credit.
Thank you so much for the heads up.
No worries. Thank you.
You're welcome. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye. So that went better than expected, and I guess we'll see you in the next video.